Semiconductors. Electronics is the field of engineering and applied physics that deals with the design and application of the electronic circuits and devices. So what is the applied physics is? It deals with the design and application of the electronic circuits and devices. So in electronic circuits, the operation depends on the flow of electrons and holes. See, normal conduction different, and this electronic semiconductor current flow is different. So that's why you are going to study about electrons and holes in this year. Their current flow takes place by electrons and holes. This hole means appeared due to deficiency of electrons. So deficiency of electrons is known as hole in this study, in the flow of current, in the form of current, etc. So then, on the basis of its electrical nature, materials are categorized in the three types. One is conductor, one is insulator, third one is semiconductor. We are already know conductors and insulators, but semiconductor is the field now we are going to study. So, what is conductor is? It is that type of metal which has number of free electrons to conduct the electricity. The metals are good conductors of electricity. The free electrons are also known as conduction electrons. So in the conductors, free electrons will be there, abundantly available in the valence band. So conduction takes place easily. In insulators, it is that type of material which doesn't have the free electrons in the valence and volume, and hence it doesn't conduct the electricity at all. Materials such as wood, plastic, rubber, etc. are the insulators. They don't have loose electrons at the valence band. That's why they behave as an insulator. They don't allow current electricity to pass through. So then third one is semiconductor. So semiconductors are the most basic component of an electronic circuit. In this type of material, there are no free electrons at the normal temperature. So it behaves as an insulator in that condition. But when temperature of semiconductor is increased, then it has free electrons and can behave as a conductor. It means temperature of the semiconductor is increased. What happens? So electron gain enough energy to jump to conduction band. So up to that time it also behaves as a insulator. But when the temperature is given, that electrons gain enough energy to jump a conduction band and start conducting, like behaving like a conductor. Then it has free electrons and can behave as a conductor. Materials such as silicon, germanium, arsenic, etc. are the semiconductors. And what is applied physics? It is the branch of physics that focus on the practical application of its principles to solve real world problems and develop new technologies. Thank you.